Afternoon, everyone. Just got a couple of world updates that just happened just now. Iceland, there's been another eruption near Reykjavik. This one's 25 kilometres away from Reykjavik, so shouldn't affect the town directly, but is heading towards the highway. And this only happened an hour and a half ago. This is it when it started. So this is over the other side of the town because it's on the other side of the highway there. It seems to be flowing towards the highway. And once again, it's on sunrise. Well, that's almost crossed the highway now. Far out. So it looks like it will cross the highway soon. Hope they close that off. You can still see vehicles coming down. Couple of other things going on at the moment. There's about 4 or 5 systems in the mid-Pacific region at the moment. We'll just have a look at those. This is a tropical storm and a tropical depression that's going to be affecting Vanuatu from tomorrow. Seems to have gotten a lot bigger this afternoon, so I'm expecting it'll probably keep growing tomorrow. And it's still hanging around Saturday the 10th. And then Sunday it clears. But yeah, there's those two there, which are pretty much in the one, and then there's these other three here. And I think it's this one in the middle that gets quite big. Luckily there's not much out there and it's cleared Fiji by then. Friday 16th, this thing starts turning into something big. So what are these islands? Alofi. So near Tonga. But further north. Saturday 17th. Oh, it could actually come back towards Tonga. Anyway, we'll wait and see what happens with that one. But yeah, Fiji. Not Fiji, I mean Vanuatu. Friday into Saturday. They could get quite big. If it does get turned into if they do grade it as a cyclone, I'll post that tomorrow. I'm thinking it will be because it's a depression and a tropical storm in the one. And it's still got 2 days. Yeah, it's looking quite threatening at the moment. That one. See, there's those islands there. It's already big enough to affect them. funny because I hadn't actually checked on this one for probably over a week, and I just had the feeling that I should have a look, and I turned it on and it had been going for half an hour. So that's all I've got for now anyway. That's pretty much all I could find that's happening in the world. And I will update if either one of those turns into a cyclone tomorrow or the next few days. Thanks everyone. Bye.